guys, this is Christine from Make Me My Cake in Lone Hill. Hope you guys are well and keeping safe. Today I'm going to do a very super easy, super simple, super yummy banana bread recipe. So we're going to start off with 300 grams of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, 113 grams of butter, 200 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, quarter cup of plain yogurt, quarter cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 363 grams of smushed up banana. So we start off by sifting our dry ingredients and placing them aside. We then take our butter and we mix it, cream it together with our sugar in a bowl. We then add our eggs and mix. Then we add our yogurt, milk, vanilla, and your smushed up banana. Mix together until just combined. Right, then we add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Again, we just mix until just combined. And there you have it, banana bread ready to go. I have greased a 9-inch baking tin. I've heated my oven to 175 degrees. Pour in smooth out and allow to bake for an hour and 8 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. Okay, so banana bread has just come out of the oven. It has been in for just a little over an hour. Skewer inserted into it, comes out dry. Leave it in the tin for 5 minutes to cool off. Loosen the edges. Should already be pretty loose because of the spray and cook, and just flip over. And there you have it. Lovely, simple banana bread. Let's try.